I'm literally always in a rush, as much as I hate to admit it. And I think it's safe for me to say that I've mastered the 5 product under 5 minutes makeup. So if you want to see how I got this look, which it looks like I'm not wearing any makeup, it looks like I'm naturally put together. So if you want to see how to get this look, continue watching and let's just get to it. This is how I look right now without any products on my face. I look crusty. Hey Siri, set a timer for 5 minutes.
5 minutes starting.
First up is going to be SPF and daily moisturizer. You need to always be hydrating your face no matter what you do. Even if you don't wear makeup, you need to be hydrating and putting SPF on. And this product is from Keys Soul Care. 2-in-1 products are quite literally game changer, especially whenever you're in a rush. And it really just hydrated my face. You see how glowing my skin looks? Number 2 is going to be foundation. This quite literally cancels out all my discoloration, and I have a lot of discoloration, as you can see. So when I use concealer over foundation, it just looks a little bit uneven, and I would need like more products like bronzer and blush and stuff like that. And because we're trying to do 5 products, the less we have is better, and you can honestly see the difference. And I can also get away with not setting this product, which is why I actually really love this. And this is of course from Il Makiage. Whenever I do this, I like to do the most important steps first. Why do I have a face mask right now? I'm going to be using a tinted brow gel because we don't have time to be filling it in. I love this CoverGirl brow gel. Honestly, I don't really have a lot of hair to work with, so this honestly just does the job. You need to be doing your brows because honestly, brows really make a huge difference. Next up, this. This is an eyeshadow stick from Urban Decay. They have it in drugstore as well. And this eyeshadow stick, I actually am going to be using it as my bronzer and lip liner. Okay, that really just does it. And this is pretty creamy, so does a pretty decent job. Come on. Whatever product I have, literally take it all around. Okay, we don't really have a lot of time to blend. That really did a pretty good job. Next, we're going to go in with this Milk Makeup Flush Tint, I think it's called. Jelly Tint, sorry. And I actually love this. I'm trying to multitask because we don't have a lot of time. And I literally put it on my lids because you can. And it literally looks like you're blushing from within. I feel like these products you just can't mess up with. So that's why I really like it. And I actually do use it whenever I'm in a rush. I literally have 1 second and I'm just gonna do this one. Pouty lips. Okay. Perfect timing. And I wasn't kidding when I said it literally takes 5 minutes to do this makeup. And imagine if you're actually not talking. Quite literally so natural yet so put together, and it looks so flawless. I'm not even kidding. This is actually one of my favorite makeup look to do, especially when I'm in a rush, which is a lot. And these are actually my go-to products in real life. It really doesn't look like I have makeup on. It really looks like I'm just natural. Yeah, who's gonna know? Definitely give this look a try. Give the products a try. I linked everything down below. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please do subscribe. It really does mean the world to me. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment below and stay safe as always. Take care of your mental health. Take care of yourself, your friends, your family, everyone. Just be kind and yeah, stay safe. As always, I love you so much. I'll see you next time. Bye.